Congratulations!
Congrats bro, welcome to Daddy's Club.
Hey, come in, get in guys. Babynya mana? Lagi tidur. Ayo kita lihat.
So, the baby already has a birth certificate, right?
Not yet, bro. I'm looking forward to it. I'm making plans for that.
That's good, that's good. You should remember that birth certificate is very important. And the state required every child to be registered and get a birth certificate.
I agree. You better set time aside to get it. Therefore, it's better to just come to the office.
Oh, and one more thing. Do not accept any help from anyone that promises you the birth certificate for a sum of money. We call them calo, and it's a big no-no here.
Of course, I will take my measurements. And tomorrow, I'll visit the office. But right now, let's have a lunch. I'm so hungry, you know?
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Please use hand sanitizer first.
For sure.
What can I do for you, sir?
I want to make a birth certificate for my son.
Okay, let me check your document first.
For sure.
Okay, sign here too.
Here.
Yes. Okay, we are finished. You will get the certificate within the next 24 hours and we will notify you through SMS and email so you can print the certificate by yourself with paper A4 and weight 80 grams, okay?
Okay. Wow, very good.
Thank you, have a good day.
Look what I hold, baby.
Wow, I can't believe it's already here. Registering births is necessary for our children, and most importantly, the process is very easy and fast. So what are you waiting for? Let's go to your nearest population and civil registration office and register the birth of your children right now.
Ayah bunda, segera diurus akte kelahiran Ananda. Akte kelahiran anak dapat diurus di Dinas Dukcapil di tempat kita terdaftar dalam dokumen kependudukan. Sekarang, semua persyaratannya sudah sangat disederhanakan, sehingga proses pembuatan akte kelahiran bisa menjadi lebih cepat. Dan jangan lupa, seluruh pelayanan di Dinas Dukcapil gratis, tidak dipungut biaya. Dukcapil bisa.